Let us learn the anomalous behavior of nitrogen. So actually nitrogen is having an anomalous behavior that differs from the rest of the members of group 15 elements. So it is because of these reasons, that is small size, high ionization enthalpy, high electronegativity and non-availability of d orbitals. Actually nitrogen is small in size, it is having high ionization enthalpy, having high electronegativity and non-availability of d orbitals. So due to these reasons nitrogen is having an anomalous behavior. സോ ഈ അനോമലസ് ബിഹേവിയറിനെ സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അതിനെ സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന ചില ക്യാരക്ടറിസ്റ്റിക്സ് ഉണ്ട്. ക്യാരക്ടറിസ്റ്റിക്സ് ഓഫ് nitrogen. So let us see one by one. First one is nitrogen exists as a diatomic molecule. Nitrogen exists as a diatomic molecule. But other elements of group 15 as polyatomic in nature. So they are polyatomic, but nitrogen is diatomic in nature. Nitrogen exists as N2. We know it is a diatomic molecule. Why nitrogen is a diatomic molecule but other members are polyatomic? So nitrogen, in the case of nitrogen actually forms p-pi bonding. That is the reason. So the main point is nitrogen is forming a p-pi bonding. That is nitrogen is having px, py and pz orbitals. Two nitrogen atoms, there will be px, py and pz orbitals, and there is end-to-end overlapping between px and forming a sigma bond, and py will be overlapping sidewise and forming a pi bond, and this pz will be overlapping sidewise and form again a pi bond. So there is a p-pi bonding. So there is one sigma bond and two pi bonds will be there. So nitrogen forming a triple bond actually. So nitrogen forming a p-pi bonding. So this is because of these two reasons. That means the small size and a high electronegativity. So due to the small size of nitrogen and it is having high ഇലക്ട്രോനെഗറ്റിവിറ്റിയും സ്മോൾ സൈസും കാരണം രണ്ട് നൈട്രജൻ ആറ്റങ്ങൾ തമ്മിൽ p-pi ബോണ്ടിങ് ഉണ്ടാകുന്നു. സോ p-pi ബോണ്ടിങ് ഉണ്ടാകുന്നത് കൊണ്ട് that forming N2. That means it is forming a diatomic molecule. So this is not possible in the case of other elements. So in those cases they exist as polyatomic molecule, but nitrogen exists as a diatomic molecule. Now let us see the next characteristic of nitrogen. So the next characteristic feature of nitrogen is chemically inert. So actually this is less reactive in nature. So nitrogen is less reactive than the other elements of the group. Other elements are actually highly reactive, but in the case of nitrogen, due to the anomalous behavior of nitrogen, it is chemically inert. Why it is chemically inert? We know that nitrogen is forming a triple bond between two nitrogen atoms. So this triple bond, we know triple bond is a strong bond. So triple bond is a strong bond. It is a strong bond, so more energy is needed to break the bond. More energy is needed to break this triple bond. So we can say that the bond dissociation enthalpy, that is the point. So the bond dissociation enthalpy is more. That is actually 941 kilojoule per mole. So the bond dissociation enthalpy is more since it is having a triple bond between two nitrogen atoms. So triple bond is stronger than single bond. But in the case of other elements, they are having a single bond between atoms. So that is easy to break, or bond dissociation enthalpy will be less in those cases. But in this case, in the case of nitrogen, there is a triple bond and that bond is a strong bond. So bond dissociation enthalpy is more in the case of nitrogen. So it is chemically inert, or we can say it is less reactive in nature. Let us see the next chemical or the next characteristic. So the third characteristic feature is nitrogen does not form pentahalides. So we have seen nitrogen does not form pentahalides, but phosphorus will form pentahalides. So this is due to the absence of vacant d orbitals in the case of nitrogen. So nitrogen case absence of vacant d orbitals. So the maximum covalency of nitrogen is 3. So the maximum covalency of nitrogen is 3, but in the other cases the covalency will exceed will be up to 5. So for other members the covalency may be 5, but in the case of nitrogen the maximum covalency is 3. So this covalency, or the covalency of 5 is due to the presence of vacant d orbitals. So except nitrogen, in all the other cases the elements or the atoms are having vacant d orbitals, so they can extend or expand the covalency up to 5. But in the case of nitrogen, there is no vacant d orbitals, so the maximum covalency of nitrogen is up to 3. So that does not form pentahalides. So this is about the anomalous behavior of nitrogen.